Best $1,000 a week. Day 427. Max performance. Today is the 427th day of the project. Friday, October 18th, 2021. Let's look at the market cap. All four companies are up. Nasdaq is up by 0.84%, S&P is up by 0.34%, Dow is down by 0.1%. Microsoft is up by 1.01%. Apple is up by 1.18%. Optimism among U.S. home builders posted a surprise jump in October. Strong demand for homes helped offset ongoing supply chain and labor issues in the housing market. Supply chain constraints have been a primary concern. Net profit margin suggests it is not a problem, and problem will be resolved as we enter 2022. Apple unveiled MacBook Pro with M1 Pro and Max chips. Apple replaced old MacBook lineup with own chips with dominant performance. Today I bought 0.7 Microsoft shares. My total gain is $21,306.35. Let's see how the market moves tomorrow. Please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on the next episode.